get to be with my close ones again. I'm sobrang sarap po sa feeling na nandito ulit ako, na binigyan ako ng chance na makapag-perform dito at na-miss ko po itong
Gano'n mo na kamiss to? Kasi ano yung huling project mo? Tagal na rin, almost a year? Ano yung huling project mo?
Mandirigma by I'm co-lead actor. My leading actor partner there was Sahil Khan. Last year po, December, and I'm happy again to be doing what I want, my passion, my happiness.
Marami kasi syempre yung ibang gagawin mo this time, performing. Hindi siya yung acting na nakasanayan ng mga tao na ginagawa mo. May adjustment ba for you? Kasi performer ka this time sa pagbabalik mo, di ba? Sing and dance, tapos hindi siya yung acting. Paano ka nag-prepare for this?
Actually po, Viva gave me best support to have workshops. And next week po magsa-start.
Okay.
1 week, sabi ko, ako puro kayo aking paa, but I will do my best. I will have fun at most. And doing all of this is a part of me learning, growing.
Anjali, parang kinakabahan ka. Okay lang, parang kinakabahan ka. Anong naramdaman mo?
I'm parang feel ko po parang
Bago ulit.
Feel ko calm na masaya na na nandito ulit.
Nung time na nag-pause ka sa paggawa ng project, syempre maraming nagulat. Ano yung ginawa mo? Anong nangyari? Ano pinagkaabalahan mo nung naka-lie low or naka-off ka sa paggawa ng project?
More of with my closest ones na
Tulad na?
to my family, my friends. I get to excel and explore and see things far from what I thought I am already. And I think that I'm in my most calm self na bumalik po ako sa totoong edad ko na ano po, been working for 6 years from 18 napasok po ako agad sa trabaho, but I am very happy about that. Kung hindi dahil sa lahat ng mga napagdaanan ko sa buhay, hindi ako magiging kung sino ako ngayon, and different part po ang ngayong wala akong trabaho. Walang trabaho, puro mga events, mga photoshoots.
Pero Angelique, kasi syempre nung nag-lie low ka, maraming mga intriga and negative comments yung lumabas about you. Paano mo siya hinarap? Hindi na maging specific, pero paano mo siya hinarap?
In my understanding, how can I say this properly? Na I became a more empathetic person that coming from this pag pinasok mo ang industriya, talagang merong positive, negative, different kinds of comments, but that doesn't prove kasi your character won't be tamed if you're really not like that. And I think time will tell.
Oo.
May pinaka na-hurt ka ba na comment or parang feeling mo hindi mo talaga deserve sabihan, ma-associate?
Sa mga issues po, parang wala. Kasi it's not worth my time. I have a lot of things to focus on. I want to be the best version of myself. And
Unbothered queen.
Parang thank you po. Pero parang para po in my mind, sabihan mo yung correct me if I'm wrong. But paniniwala ko, sabihan mo yung pinakamayaman sa tao na mahirap siya, pagtatawanan ka lang niya. At hindi, at ayun po, at it's not worth my time.
Pero yung mga lumabas na news about you, may mga katotohanan ba on
News about me,
mga negative?
I am happy to,
Kasi syempre may nabasa ka in a way, may ka nakarating sa'yo, hindi mo na lang pinansin. Pero in your end, masasabi mo bang confident ka ba na hindi siya totoo or may mga totoo ba to?
it's not worth my time.
It's not worth it.
I mean, I have a lot of things to focus on, and I know na if only I can share my thoughts and things. Kasi if siguro po, sa tingin ko na kapag shinare ko yung side ko, mas marami pong lalabas na mga critics ng mga tao at hindi po at patuloy-tuloy yun. Lalaki. But I know myself. I know what
But you're
I'm
happy.
thinking na, should I prove myself?
Oh.
Is it appropriate to prove myself even if all I did was to work from the very first start, focus on myself, my family, myself, my growth,
Yes.
my character, values, morals as a person. And what I've learned from everything until right now, it made me emotionally strong. And I'm happy to all the learnings.
Last na lang, ano na lang i-look forward mo sa pagbabalik mo?
Same po, same, best, but
Mas fierce ka ba ngayon?
ano po, enjoy pa rin. Enjoy lagi. But as the day passes by, I will try my best to be the more bestest, to learn more, to give it all my best. Kung hindi dahil sa mga sumusuporta sa akin, hindi po ako magiging ganito, at gusto ko po ibigay sa kanila yung mapasaya sila at mabigay ko yun.
So, sorry Angie, late lang ako. Pero ano ba to? Like, would you consider this yung comeback mo? Itong live show na to? In a
I
way?
hope so.
Oo.
I hope so.
May preparations ka na bang ginawa for, ano siya, singing, dancing, everything?
Sing and dance. 3 sets of singing, 3 sets
Ay,
of
wow!
dance.
It's a long night. Nag-start ka na ba mag-prepare? Hindi pa naman.
This week.
Ah, wow!
And happy ako na binigyan ako ni Diva ng workshop.
Last na lang, Angeli, you said nga ngayon na emotionally strong ka. Did it take a while for you to get there?
Very.
Talaga? Sa journey?
I think until now I'm still learning, but I can say right now na it made me who I am. Emotionally strong. Siguro po na mas onting naging mature since I'm still 24.
Oh my God,
Opo.
you do look young. Still a lot to learn. But you've learned a lot na rin.
Yes po.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Photo